Aside from introducing a new lineup of smartphones, tech companies also launched a wide range of tablets this 2022, varying in specs, features, and more importantly, price. Now that the year has come to a close, we'll do a quick run through of all the tablets released this 2022. Specifically, we'll be looking at a list of all the new tablets priced under 20,000 pesos. Do note that the tablets are listed in no particular order, meaning one is not better than the other. I'm Jose from Yugatech, and let's dive right into it. First up on the list is the Honor Pad 8. Launched in the Philippines last October, it features a large 12-inch IPS LCD display with a 2000 by 1200 resolution. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 paired with an Adreno 610 GPU. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, but unfortunately the storage is not expandable. It also comes with a 5MP rear camera along with a 5MP front camera. Those that love to watch movies or videos will also enjoy the Honor Pad 8 speaker system. No need to worry about the battery since it packs a 7250 mAh battery with a 22.5 watt fast charging. The Honor Pad 8 runs on Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12 and is available only in Dawn Light Blue color. The 6GB plus 128GB variant retails for 17,990 pesos. The next tablet we have comes from Realme, the new Pad X. Compared to the Honor Pad 8, it features a smaller 10.95-inch IPS display but still boasts a 2000 by 1200 resolution. Under the hood, it uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset and an Adreno 619 GPU. It also comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, but is expandable via micro SD card slot up to 512GB. The rear camera uses a 13MP lens, while the front camera uses an 8MP lens. For watching videos, it has a quad audio speaker system with Dolby Atmos for enhanced listening pleasure. Powering the Realme Pad X is an 8340 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. The Realme Pad X runs on Realme UI 3.0 for Pad, which is based on Android 12. It is available in two colors, Glacier Blue and Glowing Gray. Realme offers the Pad X for only 15,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB variant. Huawei launched a bunch of new products this 2022, but when it comes to tablets, they introduced the new MatePad 10.4 last May. It features a 10.4-inch IPS display with 2000 by 1200 resolution and packs Huawei's Kirin 710A chipset paired with a Mali G51 GPU. The 2022 MatePad 10.4 comes with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, but the storage can be further expanded via micro SD card slot. At the back, you'll find a 13MP rear camera, while the front camera uses an 8MP lens. It only comes with a single SIM slot, so no dual SIM function. However, the tablet does benefit from 3 microphones and a quad speaker system. Powering the Huawei MatePad 10.4 is a 7250 mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging system. It is available in matte gray color. Huawei offers the MatePad 10.4 LTE in 4GB plus 128GB variant for 18,999 pesos. So, these are all of the tablets launched in the Philippines this 2022 priced under 20,000 pesos. They're almost evenly spec'd and more importantly, they're not that expensive. This means you can pick one of these up for the holiday season, whether as a gift or for your own personal use. But among the 3 tablets, which one would you choose? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm Jose, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out!